Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out riding today with Owl, right up here. His channel is Rat on a Rope. Kind of a unique name. But I'm out riding with him today. He's on a KLR 650, an old one. Oldie but a goodie. He's out showing us some trails here.
Have you been here?
I don't think so, no.
This is our local ghost track.
It's what?
Ghost track.
Ghost track?
It should be a raceway. It should be an actual track. We used to have an old circle track and an infield in the middle as the Supercross.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is,
Oh, I see like an old jump there.
yeah, an old jump. Used to be stadiums here and the pits and stuff.
What?
There used to be bleachers and all that stuff here. It's knocked down now, but
That's crazy.
yeah, it's wild. We can take a little ride around here, like a little lap.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
We're riding up hills. Like, I don't know if you ever.
I'll be darned. No, I've never seen this.
The ghost track. It used to be like in the like late 70s, early 80s. I think they closed down, but they used to have like sand rail races out here and stuff.
I'll be dang.
And like the desert cross races and stuff.
Yeah. Huh.
But yeah, let's take a little ride around it.
It's crazy the stuff you find out here in Arizona.
All kinds of these things like this in the desert. I know a lot of them.
Yeah. So if you didn't hear him, he said it used to be like an old circle track and an old motocross. And I can actually see the jumps over here. He said they had like a stadium thing over here. You can see the foundation there of something. This must have been part of the circle track right here. How cool is that? Of course, it's long since gone. Then there was a motocross-like track in the middle. Well, that's just way cool. Yeah, I wouldn't want to fly around this too fast now. Not me, anyway. Huh. Too cool. There's an old jump. Yeah, it's been a long time since this was going. Little berms. It would have been a Rocky thing unless they had a lot more dirt out here. That's for sure. And I'm sure they did. Old abandoned motocross track. How cool is that? I'm all over the place on these rocks. I would have been in dead last on this race. This is too cool. So it's actually pretty good size. Didn't think there was that much room in the middle out here, but there is. I'm not a jumper, so we're not going to air out on these things. Not anymore, I'm not. I used to love it. There was a big jump here. How cool is that? So this is like a big cement thing here where they had like an old stadium, he said. Yeah, it's all concrete out here too. So they had a big thing out here. To have this much concrete, it had to be pretty good size at one time. Super sweet. Well, there you guys go. An old abandoned motocross track. How cool is that? Pretty cool. There's a lot of concrete out there.
Yeah.
There's a lot of concrete out there. That's a
Bleachers and pits and stuff.
wow.
Stand, and there used to be a whole operation.
And you remember it?
Used to be Saturday night races out there, desert racing.
I'll be dang.
Don't have things like that no more though.
No, that's crazy. It's just crazy the stuff you find out in the desert. I mean, like
All through here, there's all kinds of artifacts from the track. You go walk around the whole area here.
crazy.
This place was a spot back then.
But that is just super cool.
Yeah. Let's head back up to my place.
All right.
Stop them up.
So I guess, yeah, it used to be a big deal, desert racing and circle track, motocross. Super cool. Glad I got to show you guys that. I'm telling you, it's crazy the stuff that I've found. And then, like, he showed me this one. I'd never seen it before. But anyway, guys, I just thought I'd show you that. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and smash that bell icon so you'll be notified of when I put out a new video. And we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.